Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome again. We are going to start reading of our next unit, A World Without Books. Let's get started. Comma, 1. An Irish novelist Colm Toibin once recounted a story about observing a Cantonese man sitting on a kowloon footpath reading a book. The man's face was stern with concentration, and his finger tracing the line being read. At times, the man's expression would be disturbed in frustration at his progress. Finally, the reader looked up at the sky while his face was beaming. Comma, it doesn't matter whether it was because of a sudden joy with the act of reading, or revelation from what was written, or delight at how the story resolved. The point is that he was in possession of something deliciously private, a connection between him and the writer, between the real world and the world described upon the pages. Comma, 2. There is a frequently asked question: what would the world be like without books? The very question is absurd and depressing. Comma, it is always said that the latest technology signals the demise of the book. Decades ago, it was thought that the radio would replace books. This fear has persisted throughout with the inventions of television and internet. But scenes like that of Cantonese man reading the book negate the notion that modern advances pose a threat to reading. Books are themselves a form of technology that is spread over the pages and makes us delve into the complexities of life. 3. Literature is the story of humans. It is the record of who we are. 3. Where we come from and where we are going. Books make us travel at large. During our journey, we are connected with humanity. We identify ourselves with the characters we meet and learn whether we love, loathe, fear, or flatter. They help us comprehend our faults and aspirations. They tell us who could we become if we are not careful. Reading provides the deepest connection to the morals that make us human and part of a larger society. Next part of this chapter is in next video.